Welcome to the ProAll Service and Support Library. In this video, we'll cover the basic components of the Admix system, some situations where you may need to purge your Admix system with water, and how to perform an Admix system purge with water. Key components of the Admix system that are used when purging with water include the Admix ball valves, which are located underneath each Admix tank, the Admix control valves, which are located on the side of the Commander Control System box, the Admix washout valve, located above the main water pump, the Admix washout lines located at the rear of the mixer behind the auger, and the Commander Control System, which controls all automated functions of your mixer. Each time you switch Admix chemicals, you'll need to ensure that all of the old Admix is removed and that the lines are clear before you introduce a new Admix chemical. Doing so will prevent unwanted chemical interactions in your mix. You'll also need to purge your Admix system with water as part of the winterization process. To purge your Admix system with water, you'll need to follow these steps. First, you'll need to set each Admix ball valve to wash. Next, open all Admix control valves to their maximum setting. Next, open the Admix washout valve. Now set all Admix pumps to manual on the Commander Control System by pressing each Admix pump button twice until it turns orange. Admix pump buttons are labeled with the numbers 3, 7, and 11. If your mixer has 4 Admix tanks, use the auxiliary button to control the 4th Admix tank. Press button 9 on the Commander Control System to activate the washout button. Your system will begin rinsing out the Admix washout lines. Continue to rinse the lines until the fluid runs clear. You'll want to see a minimum of 1 gallon of water purged per Admix tank. Stop the washout by pressing the washout button again. Turn off the Admix pumps by pressing each Admix pump button again. The light should now be red. Now set all Admix ball valves back to open. Finally, close the Admix washout valve. After completing these steps, your mixer is now ready to have new Admix chemicals introduced in the tanks, or for you to continue the rest of the winterization process. If you have any questions, please contact the ProAll customer service team at 1-833-5ProAll or email support@proallinc.com.